Have you ever looked at empty bottle or glass or plastic bottle or thought it was just trash? Think again. Every single bottle holds a story, an opportunity, and even a business waiting to happen. Recycling bottles not just only about saving the environment, it's also about unlocking creativity, release, and peace in your mind and building a something meaningful and to grow your business. Perhaps when we recycle, we reduce waste because protect our ocean and save resources. But beyond that, bottle recycling can become a path to entrepreneurship. Think of it, every bottle you save from the garbage can be turned into the product of with value. Let's talk about business growth. Small steps can lead to big opportunity. Collect bottles from your neighborhood, local cafes or restaurant. Once clean and sorted, you can transform them into beautiful decorative items. Painted vases, candle holders, lamps, even garden partnerships. People today love eco-friendly handmade and sustainable products. They are willing to pay more for something that's not only beautiful but also has a positive impact on the planet. Imagine this, you design a set of hand painted bottles with bright, vibrant pattern, you post them on social media or sell them at a local craft fair. Slowly, your work gets noticed. Others begins to grow, and before you know it, what started as a hobby turns into a business. Because recycle art connects people, it tells the story of responsibility, care, and creativity. When someone buys a recycled bottle decoration, they are not just purchasing an object, they are buying a message, a story behind that. The beauty can be made from what others throw away. And how do we decorate? Let's talk about main point. There are endless techniques. Paint bottles can recycling for a vibrant artistic touch. Wrap them with jute or jute rope for a rustic bohemian vibe. And attach beads. Use mosaic beads or lights to make them glow in the dark. Cut bottles carefully to turn them into glasses, bowls, or lanterns. Every decoration style gives the bottle of new life, a new identity. Hope you like that all ideas and designs. These are very beautiful and creative ideas. Empty bottle is a treasure for you, for artists. Every year, millions of bottles and end up in landfills or floats in our ocean. These bottles take hundreds of years to decompose, polluting the earth, the harming wildlife. By recycling and reusing, we are not just cleaning our surrounding, we are shaping the healthier future. Recycling bottle reduce waste, saves raw material or lowers pollution.